Hello guys, welcome to Solve YouTube channel. Today we want to tell you how to increase your Yo.Fan views, okay? Then now, how are we going to get started? In this video, we are going to tell you all the trick you need to know how to get Yo.Fan view. Okay, if this is the first time of you watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel so as to encourage us to give you more updates on how to earn online. Okay, please, on this video, by the end of this video, share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, welcome to our channel. Today, this is a Yo.Fan trick how to get your views. Okay, then how can we get started? We go to Yo.Fan. We have 52 views here. How can we increase it? Though we are targeting 10,000 views in this account already, we've got our 10,000 views with this tweak. Okay, 52 views. We click. For instance, I'm just going. It's for experiment sake. Okay. Daily updates. See 53. Okay, this is for this account that the 10,000 views has been already. If you want to check that, you go to settings and you see everything has been verified. You get this trick. Or if you don't want to, you can run a reliable source traffic and you get your 10,000 views in not less than 3 hours. Okay, let's go to our experiment account by logging out this one to our soft channel, a Yo.Fan account. We go there by logging out this and using soft.com.ng. Okay, then going there, that account, we've not verified the phone number, we've not verified the account yet. This account is Yo.Fan slash China. As we open this account from our previous video, we see that's 15 views from here. This, if you want to have more views, you have to have a PC opening more tabs, opening like 50 to 70 or 100 tabs. That will give you more views in less than 30 let's say 30 minutes. You can have 1,000 views. Then you can also get these views in a twinkling of an eye. Using your mobile, it will take you more longer, but you can in a day, if you have your time to focus on this. You see it from that we have 16. Going back, you enter again, it will give you 17. Here is pay visit. Okay, but application using the application, let's say Yo.Fan slash latest update. Using the application will give you, she's soft, the application will give you two pay views. Click on the views. Okay, this is 22. You go back, click again, 24. You've seen that using the app, pay view is counted twice. Okay, so if you use the app on mobile, it will also help you, but it will not be opening more tabs. It will be giving you two views pay view. Okay, then from there, if you see from here, this account 10,000 views has already been completed. From here, if you check the settings, okay, for this one, this other one is a fresh account. This thing is not completed. The 10,000 view, this one has 49. This one also is for tutorial. Okay, I'm trying to tell you that the app views twice while the other one view once. The other one view twice from Chrome browser. It view twice, once rather, then from the mobile app using the application or adding it to short to screen. Let me show you how it is being done. How to get that done? Go to your Chrome browser, then you see here add to screen or install app. You see, you click this install app, you see China start earning from here, installed. It will now be added to your phone as an application. Is it clear? Then from there you go to your application. You see it to be adding up here. Yo.Fan slash China. It will be added to your phone. Okay, it's installing. As you can see from my screen here, it's installing. Okay, okay, it has finished installing. You will see that here you've seen. You click China at Yo.Fan. These views, to get these views done in a twinkling of an eye, is through PC. PC is the best format to get your 10K views within seconds. So I'm using, for those who are using their mobile app, just install it and add it to your mobile. Then as you are viewing it, this is 20, as you are viewing it in mobile, it's counted twice. It's counted twice, 22, 24. Now it's counting, but mobile is the best. Adding it on mobile is quite the best. And if you stay like that, let's say in the next 2 to 3 hours, you get that 10,000 views. But due to the cost of this tutorial, this is where we'll end this video, how to get your 10,000 views. Please, if you are the first time viewer, please just subscribe to our channel. This one is just just three posts. It's just for the tutorial sake, how to get your, how is it called, 10K view trick. For our master class, they will be uploading you how to earn massively on this Yo.Fan. But that one will upload the video shortly. Okay, don't just worry yourself. As you are subscribing to this channel, we will be updating you how to earn with Yo.Fan. But for now, the earning aspect of Yo.Fan has been suspended for now. As I told you from our previous video, that maybe Google AdSense has given them limits, or they are having a kind of technical issues for now. But I believe that with time, all this will be solved. Yo.Fan is a trusted platform with a very reliable uh, mindset to make sure that publishers earn from their platform. They are highly trusted by Google. So Google don't partner with people who are not sincere. Yo.Fan is coming to stay. Yo.Fan is serious in their business. I believe they will come back. So Yo.Fan needs serious mindset people. Yo.Fan need publishers who can give them unique content. So using this view, when their technical department is back, you can start to be monetized by Yo.Fan. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.